Hi, this is Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Today I'm going to share with you some big weapons that can help you grow your business. Let's start with, firstly, you should have a website that works. So a good website will be organised well. It will, obviously have information that is easy to understand for people and accessible for people what they want, and also convert people that visit your website into maybe a meeting, a sale, or a sign up, or to buyer of your goods. The next weapon to help grow your business is have targeted specific markets. So having good target markets and having the marketing for those specific target markets can really help your business take off. Rather than just sort of targeting the whole world, that breathes, which is everybody. If you narrow things down to specific target markets, you can really talk their language, have the specialist knowledge they want, solve the exact problems they want, and really make a name for yourself and get more referrals, have more online success because you've got less to aim for. Another good tip for growing your business is to make sure your signage is really working for you. So you may not have that much room or be not able to use too much signage, but you want to maximize what you're doing with your signage to attract attention, arouse curiosity, maybe give a potential solution to someone who is having a problem that you can solve, and also be welcoming and invite them in and look professional, I guess, as well. Another good tip to grow your business is to train your staff, to train other staff. So I often hear people having staff problems, and some business owners get quite bitter about losing staff or that the staff aren't doing well enough. Well, maybe one of the solutions to this is to be on the offense and train your staff to be able to train other staff so that you can constantly produce new staff which are good for your business. Thus, reducing the reliance on any one particular staff, which makes new staff potentially capable to step in and do a good job for your business, and the business can continue to flourish. Another business tip is to exploit. There's a free way to get a Google Plus ad, which is a business listing on Google, which Google will help you attract the customers, and it's absolutely free. So for instance, if you type in plumber in your Google search, then the local plumbers close to that computer will come up, be able to be advertised. This is free. I think it's a must-have for businesses, and it's a great way for Mr. Google to start sending you some business. I also think another good tip for your business is to foster long-term business networks. So if you know people for a long time, that can be superb for you ongoing. You can go through the same kind of business challenges together. You establish credibility with these people. It also can be a good referral partner as well because you've known each other for a long time. Another way to grow your business is to open new offices. So having a new office or a different branch can obviously open up more exposure, new traffic, more signage, so it can grow your business that way. A good way to grow your business is to do joint ventures with new partners. So someone you may know may have a skill set that you don't have, and you can offer some of your skills with them to together make another business venture. Or you can just attract a new partner to your business. For instance, it has its difficulties to have more partners, of course, but having more partners may mean more power and more business development and more knowledge contributed to the business, which can help you grow your business. A good way to grow your business is to delegate and train your staff more, which will make them happy as well because they're going to be more involved in the business. But also, it'll give you an opportunity to free up some of your time as the business owner do more business evaluating, creating things in your business, such as more selling, more strategy, while some of the other things that are handled by your staff. I think a great way to grow your business is to also grow your business using budgeting. So it's good to have a plan. Let's say you want to grow your business to a certain annual sales figure. Well, it's good to have a month-by-month plan or budgeting plan of how to get there. Budgets can, obviously drive you to a long-term goal, as well as motivating you and keeping you on track to reaching that long-term goal. And they can really work and help you grow. I think using a weekly to-do list can be obviously make you highly effective in getting things done, much more so than if you had no list at all. It makes you feel like you're getting through work quickly. You can keep carrying forward tasks that aren't quite finished yet and carry them forward on your weekly to-do list, but keep chipping away at them every week as well. I think another important growth tip is to use your staff as a sounding board for either important decisions or new business ideas. Often your staff can see things you can't, or as the business owner or manager, or can see you as the business owner or manager in how you're doing things, and you may not be aware of certain things, like you may be spending too much time in a certain area, and they may be able to see that for you. So it's welcome guidance to you right under your nose to ask your staff for their input, and it'll also help them feel involved and contributing to the business growth as well, and make them happy employees as well. Another good thing you can do is run seminars, so sharing your knowledge, giving tips and explaining your industry or your products to people is a good way to build knowledge and trust in your potential customers, and maybe take them closer to trusting you enough to buy your services. And also running business networking events is a great way to establish a framework where you'll regularly see your referral partners and get referrals from them. I think it's not going to work if you just see a referral partner once and then expect to get referrals from them. You've got to see them regularly, and a good way to set up a framework to see them regularly is to have business networking events. Another way to grow your business is to have a staff development program where, for instance, you can train your staff as interns or trainees, and you just maybe they may work for your business, or you're just helping them train and maybe get their first job, which is great, or you're giving something back out there to the world and helping train people and helping them get their first jobs, or that can be on the bench to come into your business if you need some more people down the track as well. So I think that's a really good thing to use in your business. Also, make sure you've got a good referral partnership program, so you've got some processes for your referral partners in terms of telling them what you want to say about your business, or what's your ideal client referral, or some incentives that you offer to your referral partners, and also having good processes with your clients as well to get referrals from them, and rewarding them to refer you with clients. And the last one I want to say is to stand out and be different with your point of difference. So all businesses are different. Make sure you can detect and be told that you might often get feedback from your customers on what you've done differently. Be able to promote that as a point of difference and a special quality that your business has. Well, thanks guys. That's our little session on some growing your business tips. My name's Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. We obviously help people with tax return and business accounting services, but also part of our service is to guide them through growing their business and doing better whether that's they need some tips on how to improve in a particular area that they're struggling with, or just in general, increase their profits. We can help you with that. So if you want to find out more about us, just visit our website at taxaccountingadelaide.com, or you can call us on 8337 4460.